Hello everybody, my name is Alan Lloyd. In relation to the sound card, it will position itself into the completion. The completion is 1 on time, 12 on time and 5 on time by the ruler. Any ruler in the conjunction of the piranha, it will position itself into doorsteps, as each doorsteps will position itself into the conjunction. The conjunction of the element design for the protocol is ABF315, based upon Safunk. The equilibrium to share the network of one is oil wave in the machine. If there is one based upon the element design for the protocol, it will work out 5 cars, 6 cars, and 1 car in relation to the conjunction. The conjunction of a pyramid will recycle the bin in the Hydra with the element of design for the protocol. Any protocol based upon the element design, it is the conjunction of the piranha. The piranha is P3F315 or the border. Any border in the conjunction of the piranha, it will redesign the linguistic word processor in relation to Surfunk. The equilibrium to share the network of one is oil wave in the machine. If the machine is ABF315 based upon the border, the third dimension of the element will transmit itself into the touch command. The touch command is the lawyer based upon the law of 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 8 by the conjunction, and in that way it turns out to be the ruler. Any ruler in the conjunction of the piranha, it will reposition itself into doorsteps of 5p, 6p, 1p by the border, and in that day it is 10% GMAC. The GMAC is isolation of law by the ruler, and in the world of Warcraft it will create the world of dimension. And in that time, the planet 5 will conjunction the element designed for the protocol. In each planet, it is the touch command of law based upon the element of law by the border, and in that day it is 10% GMAC. The GMAC will transmit itself into the evolution of time for the position of a timer and 12 cents. If that is the allay to perform itself into network 1, it will wave into the conjunction. This conjunction is the touch command of law based upon the element of law by the border, and in that day it is 10% GMAC, the isolation of 13F315.